Welcome to Mergen Construction's Westchester house, a captivating journey through the meticulous renovation of this three-story urban oasis. Welcome to the grand unveiling of our latest masterpiece, a true transformation of luxury, living in the heart of Westchester, Los Angeles. Our skilled team at Mergen Construction acquired this property with a vision to redefine modern living. This house has undergone a stunning metamorphosis that will leave you in awe. From the initial demolition to the final brushstroke, our skilled laborers poured their expertise and passion into every detail, ensuring a flawless transformation. Witness the hands-on artistry that breathed life into this $500,000 house, elevating it to a spectacular $3 million, three-story haven of luxury. Join us as we unveil the innovative design and craftsmanship that have transformed ordinary spaces into a haven of modern living. Let's embark on this enchanting adventure together. Our story begins with a vision to redefine urban living, making the most of every inch of space. Every detail has been carefully considered. Not stopping there, our skilled craftsmen ventured to the north side of the building, where they revamped an entire office space into a haven of creativity and productivity. Bathed in natural light, this office reflects our commitment to not only redefining living spaces but also workspaces. Ascending to the second floor reveals a haven of leisure and luxury. A stylish balcony wraps around, offering panoramic views for a redefined relaxation experience. Enter the outdoor TV area, seamlessly blending entertainment with nature, followed by the BBQ zone, a gastronomic sanctuary under the open sky. The journey continues into the serene steaming rooms, where tranquility meets rejuvenation in an atmosphere of sophisticated calm. And now, let's ascend to the rooftop, a breathtaking space designed for relaxation and entertainment. Immerse yourself in the rejuvenating hot tub, surrounded by the mesmerizing LAX skyline. Enjoying panoramic views or hosting unforgettable gatherings in this elevated sanctuary. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. This is more than construction. It's a story of reinvention and endless possibilities. Welcome to the future of urban living.